where I'm going to discuss guideline number 7. Number 7, you need to keep it simple and understandable. Keep it simple and understandable. That is guideline number 7. Keep it simple and understandable. Keep it simple and understandable. Avoid overly complex systems. You can keep it simple by 1, avoiding overly complex systems. Avoid instituting complex systems. Control systems should be simple and straightforward. They should be simple and as straightforward as possible in order to facilitate understanding and also to facilitate effective use. To keep it simple and understandable, how do you go about it? You can keep it simple and understandable also by having clear reporting formats. Clear reporting formats. Clear reporting formats. You recall, candidates, in strategic control, we have 3 important components. That is monitoring, there is evaluation, and reporting. So when it comes to reporting, you need to use clear and concise reporting formats that are easy for the stakeholders to interpret, because this communication or these reports are to be sent to different stakeholders who may have different levels of understanding. So you may have formats or reports that are to be sent to the regulators, the shareholders, the management, and so on. Another way to keep it simple and understandable is through training. Okay? Provide training. Provide training. You need to train the staff that will be involved in the implementation of strategic plans. Ensure that employees understand the control systems and how they contribute to the overall strategic goals. So that is the guideline number 7.